Okay, today we're going to work with improper fractions. And mixed numbers. Okay, so let's start with a couple of definitions. Start with an improper fraction. Is a fraction where the numerator is greater than the denominator. Okay, and an example of that would be 3/2. 3 is the numerator, and it is larger than our denominator of 2. Okay, our next vocabulary here is a mixed number. Okay, a mixed number is a number that has a whole number part and a fraction part. Okay, so an example of that would be 1.5. There's our whole number part is 1, and our fractional part is 1/2. So 1.5 is a mixed number. Okay, now let's turn an improper fraction into a mixed number. Okay, so let's go with our example of 3/2. Okay, so our rule is to divide the numerator by the denominator. So in this case, my numerator is 2. So 2 is going to go in the house because we're going to divide it by the, excuse me, the 3 is our numerator. Sorry about that. We're going to divide it by our denominator, which is 2. 2 goes into 3 one time. 1 times 2 is 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. Now, so we know that we have 1. Now, the 1 becomes the numerator of the fractional part of the mixed number, and the divisor becomes the denominator. So, 3 over 2 turned into a mixed number is 1.5. Let's try another one. Let's do 11 over 6. Okay. We're going to divide the numerator by the denominator. My numerator is 11. My denominator is 6. 6 goes into 11 one time. 11 minus 6 is 5. Now, I have my whole number part as the 1. Now my fractional part, the remainder here of 5 becomes the numerator for the fraction, and the denominator, or the divisor, becomes the denominator. So it's 1 5/6. Okay. Now, let's turn a mixed number to an improper fraction. Well, we'll just go backwards. 1.5. We're going to multiply the denominator by the whole number and add the numerator. So 1.5 would be, we'd go 1 times 2 is 2, plus 1 is 3. So it's 3 over 2. Now, remember how I had 1 5/6 up here? One and 5/6. We're going to multiply the denominator by the whole number, so that's 6 times 1 is 6, plus 5 is 11. So it equals 11 over 6. Okay. That'll be it.